All the fun is nice. When you climb up now, you're out of breath. This is nice. This is one of the nicest bridges here. Stairs, 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 stairs. Nothing more than stairs. Only Gumao. Hey, he is enjoying. 27th of December, the time is 8:24.
Climate?
We're starting from, yeah, climate I forgot. This is something interesting actually once we do here. We have to tell the climate, weather conditions. Okay, I'm off the network, so no climate update. So we're walking from Bamboo to Jhinu, which is quite a distance. Lot of stairs. So I think until Chumrong it is going to be the same. Not much difference. After Chumrong I think I'll record a little more. I'll show you the new path. I think I am at the end, tail end today. Take it slow in the morning. Pick up pace as we go. They said the knee hurts. Basically all the muscles below the waist are hurting. Okay. Karan, the board says Jhinu is 4 hours. Feels like it's going to be the entire day. So 4 hours, can we do 14 kilometers? I recollect when we had the briefing in the night after dinner, it said somewhere about 14. See. One second. Thank you. Wow. You can see upper Snow. A very bright sunny day, no clouds, clear blue sky. See the rays. All wet. This is a bit track. What, boss? What are you doing top to bottom? Oh, singing and dancing, huh? No music? अरे बाहर तो रख.
इसमें से थक गया.
No one's feeling any pain today. Last day of walk, no, everyone's enjoying. This is how goods reach the top. All the bells in the front and one Nepali Gana in the back. We've reached the suspension bridge after crossing Sinua. Now the tough climb begins. The climb to Chumrong. हिला मत बैक साइड वॉक कर रहा हूँ. Okay, photography happening here. बस ಹಂಗೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Dance! All the fun is nice. When you climb up now, you're out of breath. This is nice. This is one of the nicest bridges here. The fun part ends here. Fun part ends here. The tough climbing starts. Adventure music. I'll get copyright issues.
Hello. Very tight. Move.
Volleyball match in the hills, and that's it. The other kids playing basketball. We stopped for lunch at Shumrong and placed our order, but food is yet to come. So enjoying free match.
First mountain.
So this is the way we came from Gandurg. This is the way to ABC, and you will find Jhinu right opposite to this international guest house. There won't be much of climb is what we were told. Just have to, yeah, here and there little. Today we had different lunch. We shared pizza and momos. Last day of trek now. So chalta hai. Something tasty. Having French toast, dal bat, what is it? Gurung bread. Yesterday we tried fried rice. Today we moved to pizza. Pizza is nice here. They make thin crust pizzas. Basically all hotels are family run businesses, so they have passion doing that. Yo bro, going strong.
Yes.
Sarvagya is keeping you company. Oh, take it easy. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು? ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದು? ಪಾ ಇಳಿತಾನೆ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ನದಿ ಬೇರೆ ದಾಟಬೇಕಾ? ಅದೇ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು. ಕೋಪನ್ ಮಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೂ. ಕೋಪನ್ ಮಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕಾಠ್ಮಂಡು ನಾನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. From Chumrong to Jhinu, it is only stairs. Stairs, 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 stairs. Nothing more than stairs. Only Gumao. Hey, he is enjoying with music. That you see is our destination for the day. The hot spring is about 30-45 minutes walk from here. I don't know what's the plan. The plan is to go tomorrow in the morning, according to the briefing in the morning, today morning. Let's see. And this will complete all our long walks for this trek.
Hotel Park Himalaya. Hotel Park Himalaya. हम आ
गए. ट्रैक खत्म हो गया. अरे सीढ़ी खत्म नहीं हो रहा. Hello. Namaste.
Hello, hi.
The view from our stay today. See that bridge? That suspension bridge is long, really long. That's crazy. We'll have to go to that corner and board our jeep tomorrow. That's the plan.